Hi, in this video I'll show you how to hide and also unhide the dock on your MacBook Neo. So let's get started from the very beginning. The first thing we need to do is to go on the top left corner and simply click on the Apple logo. Then go down and select System Settings. In this menu, we need to go on the left side and we need to select right over here, Desktop and Dock. Click on it. From here, if you simply want to hide or unhide the dock, you have probably this option checked in. So automatically hide and show the dock. So if I have this enabled, the dock will be invisible until I bring my mouse where it's located, and then it will appear and it will let me interact with it. But as soon as my cursor goes away, it disappears. If you don't like this feature, well, simply turn it off over here and the dock will always be shown to you, no matter if your cursor is somewhere else on the page. You also have dock position on the screen. If you didn't know, by default it's down, but some people like it to have it on the left side or on the right side. Well, you can decide this over here. And again, you can hide it. So every time you bring your cursor towards the right, it appears. There's also other settings, for example, the size of your dock and also the magnification. Magnification is simply when you bring your mouse over it, how big does it become? So right now it's at the maximum, but if I put it at off, you see, nothing happens. It doesn't get bigger with my mouse over it. But overall, this is it. This is how you hide and unhide your dock and how you can also customize certain settings over here. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.